If you're into retro gaming or handheld consoles, this might be one of the most interesting devices you'll see this year. Today, we're checking out the Anbernic RG DS, a dual-screen flip handheld console that gives serious Nintendo DS vibes, but with modern power and Android support. And honestly, this thing is pretty impressive. Let's start with the design. The RGDS features a dual-screen flip design, just like classic handhelds, making it perfect for DS-style gaming and multitasking. You get two 4-inch IPS displays with a resolution of 640 by 480, and the screens look sharp, bright, and responsive. It even supports a capacitive stylus, which is great for games that require touch input. Now, under the hood, this device is powered by the RK3568 quad-core processor, paired with an ARM G52 GPU. What does that mean for you? It means you can run retro emulators, Android games, and even some heavier titles smoothly without lag. You also get Android 14, so you can install apps, download games, stream content, and customize the device however you want. Speaking of games, this console supports a wide range of emulators, and you can expand storage up to 2 terabytes using a TF card, so you'll never run out of games to play. There's also support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can play online multiplayer, stream games, or even mirror your screen wirelessly. And yes, you can even use tools like RixelHK to access and manage your game library easily. One of the coolest features is the dual-screen multitasking. You can literally play a game on one screen while watching something or browsing on the other, which is something you don't usually see in handheld consoles. Battery life is powered by a 4,000 mAh battery, giving you around 6 hours of gameplay, which is solid for a device like this. It also includes a hall sensor, so when you close the lid, it automatically goes into sleep mode, just like classic handheld consoles. Nice little touch. And with built-in stereo speakers, vibration motors, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, you're getting a full gaming experience. Now let's talk about the price. Right now, the Anbernic RG DS is available for $106.49, which is 37% off the original price. If you want to check it out, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more retro gaming devices, handheld consoles, and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.